Hey y'all, it's Dominique here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be answering 3 questions that I recently received in a comment on my video. Let me pull them up. Okay, so the lovely Mona Brown 101, thank you so much for your questions. I'm gonna try to keep this video as short as possible, but we'll see. So the first question is, I've mentioned it before, but you know, new subscribers, I'll say it again. I started with sister locks. I had about 500 and something. Beautiful locks, but I just couldn't take it anymore. So your girl switched to traditional locks. It was more manageable for me. And for that, you need to do the interlock method. So, interlock. I did on my hair for a while. And that was just a couple of months until I switched to traditional locks by combining about 5 to 6 locks, probably 4 to 5, depending on the area of my hair. I didn't plan it out where like, okay, the perfect part, everything, no. Because sister locks are neatly parted anyway, I just, you know, just like finger part. I did try to line up everything, but I wouldn't say it was perfect. Let me just put it that way. And I interlocked each new lock just to keep it in place. But then after that, I palm rolled. And I've been palm rolling ever since, okay? To tell the truth, I don't wash it every 2 weeks, but I wash my hair every month, whether it's at the beginning or the end. But if I wash it at the end of the month, I'll wash it at the end of the month next time. If I happen to be in an area where there's like a lot of pollution, dust in the air, whatever it may be, I wash my hair earlier than normal. I don't overwash. That's really the point I'm trying to say here. I spray it with my peppermint water spray here to keep it like fresh every day in between my washes. Okay? It may sound crazy to some people, but my hair is always smelling good and it always look good, okay? Right now my hair is not retightened, so how do I maintain it? After every wash, to keep my locks separated, let me just take this off for a minute. You can see the poofiness, all the frizz, all of that goodness on my scalp. Yeah, I would separate my locks, like almost that pop lock method they always call it. But I assure you, I'm very gentle with my hair. But I do that to keep it from marrying into one another, because I don't need one big old fat lock, okay? And like I said, I spray my hair. That's how I maintain the roots. And if I see some stray hair, I'll just probably I don't do much because I don't retighten my hair every month. Yeah, that's about it. I hope that answers all of your questions. I recently just washed it and I only oiled the scalp. This morning I got up and I sprayed it with that. So that's it. So it's like a repeat process every morning. If I feel that I may need some extra oil, you know, throughout the week, I'll probably oil it a second time, just at my root. That's it. I don't be oiling all of my hair because I don't think all of it needs it. And now that my hair has gotten longer, I don't do so much. Just keep up with it, maintain it, make it look nice, obviously. But don't overdo it and don't put too many products in your hair, okay? That's one of the best advice I can give you. Do not put a lot of products in your hair, because it'll create a lot of buildup, which will be hard to get out of your hair. My battery is dying. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all again. Bye.